Hi, Dr. Amber Voitenko here at Voitenko Wellness, and our vibe is hope and help. I'm going to be talking about what we do to help people that have burning, numbness, tingling, restless leg, cramping. This is known as peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral means away from the body. So these are the smaller nerves. These are nerves that are very important to get healing so as to not have problems with balance, to help individuals that have peripheral neuropathy sleep at night. Burning, numbness, tingling, these cramping, these symptoms happen in the evening or when you're at rest. So, it's very uncomfortable. It really causes irritability. It causes discomfort. Individuals that have this condition, they can't travel, they can't do their hobbies. We have so many patients come in who are saying, look, I want to get back to golfing or dancing or pickleball or travel. They can't do those things anymore due to this discomfort and these symptoms. So one of the solutions is actually using red light infrared. When I turn this on, you're only going to see the red light. Infrared is naked to the eye. We love this pad because it gives you both red light and infrared. So it's very simple. You plug it into the wall. It's got a fairly long cord, so great when you're at rest in the morning or in the afternoon or evening while you're reading or watching TV. You simply hold it down for a few seconds and boom, it's on. You want to keep this plastic piece on because it helps protect the pad and the longevity of the pad itself. So what is red light infrared good for, and why is it good for peripheral neuropathy or damage to the nerves? What it's good for is it helps to bring oxygen nutrition back to the nerve. The nerve is only going to be as healthy as that oxygen nutrition is given to it. So if you're not using red light infrared, there's no way to actually handle the healthfulness of the nerve and get the nerve so you have less symptoms. This also causes the body to create more vascularization. So it's fantastic for peripheral neuropathy, for getting rid of numbness, burning, tingling, cramping, and pain. So I just wanted to give you guys more information on what we use, why we use it, and about peripheral neuropathy. So if you're looking to get better quality of life, get rid of these symptoms, help your body heal, this would be a good solution for you. If you're a candidate, we do very specific testing to see if you're a candidate for this type of treatment. So you could give us a call at 714-730-2225, and we can help you. Thanks.